So I can make here a label as a title, total sale by category, and it should be come into the center. This is a total sale by category. Now I want to take total sale by city. Do we have city of the customer? So we have a customer name, customer ID, phone, fax, city. City we have. Fine. So which chart is suitable for city-wise sale?
Which chart is good for citywide sales?
Yes, yes.
Uh,
I want to use a multiple charts, not only the same type of charts. So
right.
I take ribbon. I take ribbon. Ribbon is okay. So I take city into the axis, city into the legends, and total sale, which is there in the order detail. I take that a value. So it is coming as an this city we required. It's a bigger one. That's why it is converted into the. We have so much thing in city. There are number of cities we have. Fine, we can continue with this chart. Legends I don't want. Data label I want to show. Data label is again giving a warning that it's a big one. You cannot use a data table because the city wise it's a very big one.
Right.
I take this instead of city. I take this as an country. So we have two countries only. We have so many countries for the again. This is a good one. Then I'll just drill through with the city. When I click yes and I will click on USA, so these all USA countries are coming. No, so I take
Mhm.
the city into the legend is not possible. So I hope this is a one best one. So we have city and country wise both. Fine. I hope you are understanding. We can analyze the different sales data in a different way. Daniel, this
Yeah.
required lots of time to work with. No,
Right.
fine. So what we can say now, we can say year-wise sale. I just take this one. I will not leave this ribbon. Ribbon is clever. I am cleverer than ribbon. So I just take order here. Here is in three now. So I take the order as an axis here and here as in legend and total sale as a value. Why it is
Is it the transparency? Is it off?
no, it should take this. We have a time frame also, no? Hmm. We required we required a two axis, one axis is enough. Sale by year we'll take, otherwise no worries. We'll take this one. That's a better legend of data label category and percentage. So accordingly, out of these 3 year performance, we are taking this and we are taking months into this. There is a months. When I click on 97, it will give me the months of 97. This all data will get changed. Fine. So now the last one I am taking as an map, and then I am taking the. I think we should take this as a map. This is a perfect for the map. No. This is perfect for the map. I'll take country into the legend. So, size. Perfectly fine. So we can work with this when we click onto the North America. It is giving me the America detail. This is the best one. So now we have developed a report. This is a report, Daniel. This is not basically about. This is not a dashboard because we are not able to show to anyone. No.
Right.
So one chart is left. Which chart we should create? We create an area chart. An area chart we have to create accordingly. Category wise is done. Year wise is done. Category wise. Now we should take one more thing, that is a supplier of the product. No,
Mm-hmm.
the supplier of the product, contact name or company name, and the value is a total number of product. There is a product, this is a product. So I take the product ID into the values. So these are all products are coming. There are so many suppliers. No?
Yeah, it's a lot.
Shipper company name and how many product you are shipping up. So I just take the is a shipped by na? Where is the shipped by? In order or in order detail? In order. In order we have ship by, so I'll take the order ID into the value. How many orders you are shipping? So there are three people. 1, 2, 3. So this is shipping this much product and this is shipping this much. The counting is this and this is shipping 128. We can show the legends to them. Data label. So 153 product is shipped by this, 133 is by this, 122 by this. So this is a shipped product by these people. So I hope this is a small one.
Mm-hmm.
So I created this report. Now I want to publish this report. Now we are aware with all these things. What we need to do is I need to click on to the first thing. I need to save it. We have to save with the name. Let's suppose Dan dashboard. The extension of this Power BI is PBIX. So Power BI, what does X stand for? Yes, Daniel.
Oh, is it the same? I don't know. What does it stand for?
What is the extension of a document file in MS Word?
In MS Word.
What is a PowerPoint extension?
The next?
PowerPoint extension.
To be honest, I usually use Mac.
You
So-
use so you are not using MS Office.
Yeah, I don't use. I will be, but not. I haven't used MS Office. I mean, not in a long time, but it's
It's a
definitely something I want to get.
simple thing. Every MS Office product extension is normally and with an X. Fine.
Yeah.
Like a PPTX, like in document docx. Fine. In Excel, it is XLSX. Fine. The next PB Power BI X is X stand for XML.
That's for what I'm
You
saying.
heard about X? You heard about XML? XML.
Oh, XML. Yeah, XML. Okay.
Yes, extensible markup language. So the internal architecture of this Microsoft tools are basically with an XML. So this X is there. That's why the extension is
They all have an
PBIX.
X. Nice.
Okay. Now I click on to the save. And this is done. We are saving it. Once it is saved, we have two things. I just click on to the publish. Please look at here. This is a way I can publish it. I click on to the publish. So it will go to the by default workspace that is created by Power BI service. You can go there and create more workspace. Click on select. It is publishing there. Once it is published, you can click here. You can see here. You can open this
Mhm.
PBIX in Power BI service. I click on that. It will open a web service for me. So sign in required. So I click on sign in. So I have an then I write password. So now I'm logged in. Fine. Now I'm logged in. Look at here. What is this? Dan dashboard is coming here.
Mhm.
So this is my workspace. I click onto that. So these are the reports that is loaded. So these are for other practice sessions. So these are the reports that is loaded. This is your report.
Gotcha.
Fine. This is not a dashboard. This is a report. When you go to dashboard, you will not see Dan here. It is not here. It's a simple report. Fine. So these are all the settings of the report. These are the workbooks that you imported from the get data here. It is not there. These are the data sets. So we have a Dan data set. When I go to the setting,